press the bell icon on your YouTube app and never miss any of my video.
So this is a makeup basic series, and in this video I would be showing you how you can apply kajal on your upper waterline. Hey my fam, how are you? And a fresh hello for all of you who are new for my channel, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe and also hit that bell icon below so that you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. So first thing first, a very important message is that a giveaway is running on my channel. So if you haven't enrolled in the giveaway, please enroll fast because you might win the giveaway. So it gets a bit tricky when you apply kajal on your upper waterline. So here I am with a simple trick, a small trick by which you can apply kajal on your upper waterline really easily. So what do we need for applying the kajal on your upper waterline? Yes, we need a kajal. Here I am using the Lakme Iconic Kajal because I just love it. This one is smudge proof, waterproof, so really good for your upper waterline. So now let's get ahead with the video. So first, keep a mirror in front of you or be in front of a mirror. What makes you comfortable? Here I am having a mirror right here. So yes, I'm having a mirror right in front of me and I'm having my kajal to apply on my upper waterline. So now let's get ahead. So first thing, you have to be like, pull your lids like this, very gently, just pull your lids like this. And so just make sure that you are having your mirror like this, like you are a bit up from your mirror. So now I would be applying. So you can see it's visible that this eyelid, this eyelash is looking fuller, and this one is looking like just I'm having an eyeliner on my eyelid. So yes, it makes really nice your eyes. So now I would be finishing my other eye and I would be right back. So I have applied kajal on my both of the upper waterline, and my left eye might look a bit watery because I have no idea. My left eye gets watered like whenever I apply kajal. So yes, just excuse that. And now I would be showing you how you can apply kajal on your low waterline as well. So again, the same trick, you have to just pull your eyes like this a little bit and then very gently so you see I have completed my low waterline kajal as well, and this was so simple. This was a small trick which I always use whenever I apply my kajal on my upper waterline. So it makes applying the kajal on my upper waterline really easily, and I hope it would also help you guys. So yes, this was my small makeup basic series video in which I have shown you how you can apply your kajal in your upper waterline really easy and real quick. So yes, this was all for this video and I hope you loved it, and if you loved it, please give it a big thumbs up and also share with your friends and family. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe it right now and also hit the bell icon below so that you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. And yes, a giveaway is running on my channel, so if you haven't enrolled in it, enroll quick. So yes, this was all for this video and I would be winding up my video here. Bye bye, see ya.